Your BMW 4 Series key fob uses a battery for keyless entry and start. When the battery dies, don't worry, you can still unlock and start your car. The key fob contains a mechanical key. To access it, locate the release button on the side or end of the fob and press it to eject the metal key blade. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Insert the key into the lock cylinder and turn. This bypasses the electronic system and grants you entry. Once inside, place the fob in the designated slot, usually in the cup holder or near the Start-Stop button. Press the Start-Stop button to start the engine. The car needs the fob nearby to confirm authorization. Replacing the CR2032 battery every 2 to 3 years is recommended to avoid these issues. Now let's cover troubleshooting and important considerations for dealing with a dead key fob on your BMW 4 Series. If you encounter a key not detected warning even after manual entry, ensure the fob is close to the designated slot. In rare cases, water damage to the fob can cause immobilizer errors, requiring a dealer reset. Recent BMW software updates provide low battery warnings on the dashboard. You can also use the BMW Connected Drive app for remote diagnostics. While mechanical backups are reliable, forcing the key blade can damage the lock mechanism, costing $100 to $300 to repair. Consider replacing the fob battery proactively to prevent these issues and potential roadside assistance calls. Newer models may have digital key features via NFC, allowing smartphone pairing as a backup.